Imagine a tense boardroom, the air thick with anticipation. On one side, the top executives of a global coffee company face a billion-dollar decision, a monumental choice that could redefine their market position and shape their future for years to come. The stakes are incredibly high. Do they acquire a fast-growing chain of high-end tea shops, a bold move to diversify their portfolio and tap into a new consumer base? Or do they play it safe, maintain the status quo and walk away from a potentially lucrative yet undeniably risky opportunity? The CEO, a seasoned veteran known for his strategic vision, turns not to the usual suspects, the established voices in the room, but to Sarah, a young senior financial analyst whose insights have consistently impressed him. For months, Sarah has been immersed in this potential acquisition, meticulously building intricate financial models, poring over market data and analyzing every conceivable angle. She's been forecasting profits, quantifying risks, and stress-testing every what-if scenario imaginable, leaving no stone unturned in her quest to understand the true potential and pitfalls of this deal. Now she stands before the executive team, ready to translate complex data into a clear, concise, and compelling story. She acknowledges upfront that the acquisition is risky, a significant departure from their core business, and fraught with potential challenges. But she also highlights the immense potential, emphasizing that it opens doors to a younger demographic, a segment they've struggled to reach, and provides access to a fiercely loyal customer base. Her analysis goes deeper, revealing hidden efficiencies within the tea chain's operations, synergies that could be unlocked through strategic integration. She projects that the tea brand, under their guidance and investment, could realistically triple its footprint in just 5 years, expanding into new markets and solidifying its position as a leader in the premium tea segment. Her projections show that the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial cost and the inherent risks, painting a picture of substantial return on investment. The executives listen intently, peppering her with tough questions, challenging her assumptions, and probing for weaknesses in her analysis. But Sarah stands her ground, confidently addressing their concerns, and her well-reasoned answers gradually turn fear and skepticism into a clear strategic path forward. Her meticulous work transforms what initially seemed like a reckless gamble into a calculated move, a strategic investment with a high probability of success. The board, convinced by her compelling presentation, votes yes, giving the green light to the acquisition. Years later, the acquisition is celebrated as a masterstroke, a pivotal moment that propelled the company to new heights of success. It wasn't luck, or a fortunate coincidence, but the direct result of Sarah's meticulous analysis, her unwavering dedication, and her ability to see beyond the numbers. Behind every bold business move, every successful venture, there's often a financial analyst who sees the future in the numbers, who understands the underlying trends, and who can articulate the potential risks and rewards with clarity and precision. It's not just about spreadsheets and complex algorithms, it's about understanding the human element, the market dynamics, and the competitive landscape. It's about shaping the destiny of a company, guiding its strategic direction, and ensuring its long-term sustainability. The real risk-takers aren't always the ones making the big decisions, they are often the ones who turn uncertainty into opportunity, who find hidden value where others see only obstacles. Sarah's story is not unique. It's the story of every great financial analyst who works tirelessly behind the scenes, providing the insights and analysis that drive business success. They are the quiet architects of success, the unsung heroes who play a critical role in shaping the future of organizations around the world. And sometimes, as in Sarah's case, the future of an entire company, its employees and its stakeholders, rests on their insight, their expertise, and their unwavering commitment to the numbers. So, what does a financial analyst really do? It's a question many ask, often picturing endless spreadsheets and complex calculations. But the reality is far more nuanced and engaging. At their core, they're detectives and storytellers. They uncover hidden patterns and translate raw data into compelling narratives. They sift through mountains of data, financial statements, market trends, industry reports, to find what matters, to extract the crucial insights that will inform key decisions. Their main tool? The financial model, a sophisticated spreadsheet that predicts a company's future. It's a dynamic tool, constantly updated and refined with new information. With it, they test scenarios. What if costs rise? What if sales drop? The model gives answers. It quantifies the potential impact of various events, providing a clear picture of the risks and opportunities ahead. Beyond numbers, they distill complex findings into clear reports or presentations for decision makers. They transform data into actionable insights. Their recommendations drive major business moves, investments, expansions, acquisitions. Analysts aren't just number crunchers, they're strategic advisors, providing clarity in a world of financial uncertainty. Their insights are the foundation for smart decisions, guiding companies towards sustainable growth and success. They are the unsung heroes of the business world, quietly shaping the future. A financial analyst's day starts early, scanning global news, prepping for the market's open. Mornings are a rush of research, updating models and team calls to share insights. Midday, they dive deep into earnings reports, listen to company calls, and spot hidden trends. Lunch is quick, the pace rarely slows. Afternoons are for writing reports, pitching ideas, and turning data into compelling stories for clients or managers. As markets close, they review, update, and plan for tomorrow. It's fast, dynamic, and no 2 days are ever the same. Financial analysts aren't just on Wall Street, they're everywhere money matters. In banks and investment firms, they research companies and guide billions in investments. At insurance giants, they manage risk and ensure financial stability. In tech, they help giants like Apple or Google decide where to invest and innovate. Analysts work in manufacturing, government, and nonprofits anywhere strategic financial decisions are made. Their skills are versatile, opening doors across the economy. Wherever there's money and strategy, you'll find a financial analyst shaping the future. Financial analysts find themselves in a profession with substantial earning potential. It's a field where dedication and expertise are directly rewarded. The financial rewards can be significant right from day one. The starting point is quite promising. Entry-level salaries for financial analyst positions in the US often start between $70,000 and $95,000, depending on location, company size, and specific responsibilities. But the compensation doesn't stop there, with bonuses boosting pay even higher, reflecting performance and company success. With experience and a proven track record, six-figure salaries are common, marking a significant step in your financial career. And for top performers who consistently exceed expectations, earning $200,000 or more becomes a very real possibility. Many ambitious analysts pursue the prestigious CFA designation, a globally recognized credential unlocking even greater opportunities, career advancement, and increased pay. Career paths within finance are diverse and rewarding, often leading to senior analyst roles, where you'll mentor others and take on more complex projects. From there, you might advance to portfolio manager, directly managing investments and shaping financial strategies. Or you could climb the corporate ladder to executive roles like Director of Finance or even CFO, guiding the financial direction of an entire company. Some choose to leverage their expertise and move into the dynamic worlds of private equity or venture capital, where the financial rewards and the potential impact can be even greater. The core skills you build and hone as a financial analyst, critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical reasoning, including proficiency in data analysis, financial modeling, and interpreting complex data sets, and the ability to provide strategic insight, are not just valuable in finance. They're a launchpad for a lucrative and dynamic career across various industries. The sky's truly the limit for those who excel in this field, demonstrating dedication, a thirst for knowledge, and a commitment to continuous growth. Financial analysts are the invisible architects behind major decisions. Before a solar farm is built or a new iPhone is launched, analysts model costs, forecast returns, and guide investments. Their research can move markets, influence stock prices, and shape the future of entire industries. They help companies avoid costly mistakes and channel resources into innovations that change lives. Their work ensures capital flows to the best ideas, driving progress and prosperity. Analysts don't just crunch numbers, they guide the economy, foster innovation, and hold leaders accountable. They provide the clarity and discipline that turn vision into reality. In a world of uncertainty, they are the navigators. Is financial analysis right for you? You'll need curiosity, a love of solving puzzles, and comfort with numbers. Attention to detail is crucial. A single error can have big consequences. Communication is key. You must turn complex analysis into clear, persuasive stories. Building trust and relationships matters as much as technical skill. The work is demanding but offers continuous learning and real impact. If you're ambitious, resilient, and eager to shape big decisions, this could be your path. For the intellectually curious and determined, financial analysis is a chance to make your mark on the world of business.